Alright, I've got here a ProTech infrared camera. This is 120 by 90 pixel. Got a giant big screen there, buttons, and it's got a Type-C and a micro SD memory card slot. So let's power it on, give it a go. And it's quite convenient, it's quite fast. So here I've got a modem, which we'll do a quick test on. So it also has a button for a laser, so you can point at a specific point. And so I'll give it a go. Here we go. We got the router, we can see my finger there. Plug it in. Okay, so we can see the hottest areas. I can go in further. And we can see this MOSFET in particular. Right there, that's about 46, 47. And we can go around, that's the CPU. We can go deeper. So you can see a little bit of the components, but it will just give you a general idea. Not as specific as the one I use, but it's perfect for all kinds of repairs. You just have to figure out the area that you're focusing on and go for it. And you can take a photo. So for example, I want to take a photo. I'm not going to save that. Okay, I'm going to go. I want to take a photo of here. Press the button once, and you got the OK button to save it. Gone. Let's go back again. Okay, now that's saved. And you got menu options. So let's have a look. You can look at the photos in the device itself. Okay, review. Great. And there's some earlier photos. All right, let's go back. Temperature range, automatic. Emissivity, palette. Oh, you can choose the kind. Oh, I see. Oh, cool. I'd like to try this one. Right, you can see the area get lighter on areas that have a higher heat. So let's try a different palette. Let's try this guy. They do point out very easily. So depending on if you're looking at the wall or PCB, you can choose temp unit. Yep. ROIM measure. Alarm. Oh, okay. So you can set an alarm. Let's try that. Oh, I see. High. Let's see when it reaches higher amount. Then we get an alarm. So you can set a notification. Is there a faster way to go up? Yep, here we go. Let's go to 40. This is good. You can put it on a mount, like a camera tripod mount. Okay, I'm going to try 40. Okay. Okay, 47. All right, that's fine. Let's try. Alarm is on. Reference measure. Reflective measure? Not sure. Distance, 3 meter, auto shutdown, screen brightness, laser on and off, date and time, language, reset. Okay. Now ready? Are we going to get an alarm? Not yet, maybe here. 60. That's what I'm going to get an alarm, but no alarm. Oh, I see. The alarm symbol comes on a little red light. So watch the little red light come on. There we go. Then you know that it has detected a higher temperature. Pretty cool. So it's got a mount here, screw on, like a tripod mount. format SD, camera info. What do we got? Oh, I see you can update the firmware. Cool. It's really nice. I actually like it. I don't know what they go for retail. Coming, one sec. All right, so that's the end of that. I'll point you the camera. Here we go. That's the laser. Cool. It feels very solid. The battery level has gone down. Let me see if it's going to charge. I'll show you the camera photos on the computer. No charge. Oh, there we go. You can see the little battery symbol going up. Okay. Let's check it out on the computer. See how the photos look like. Power off. This is just a router for fun. Okay. I tried to find the, what do you call it? The UART port on it. Couldn't find it. I'll find it later on. Okay. It feels very solid. It doesn't feel cheap. You know, if you're local to Ride Library, you can start your own business repairing and just borrow this and you can repair most of the stuff. Pretty cool. And it's free. I can't believe it. That's fantastic. Come on, chap. Still waiting. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Cool. So that's the image there. It is not a very high resolution, so 240 by 320. It's a 24-bit color. Should be some more photos there. Yep. Yep. Pretty cool. So that's the same MOSFET, 65 degrees. Pretty cool, mate. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.